In this video, we are going to see exercise 2.8 sums. 8th one, Kumar writes a letter to 4 of his friends. He asks each one of them to copy the letter and mail to 4 different persons with the instructions that they continue the process similarly. Assuming that the process is unaltered and it costs Rs 2 to mail 1 letter, find the amount spent on posting when 8 set of letters is made. So Kumar is the person. He asks his friends to copy a letter to 4 of his different persons. First, that Kumar writes a letter to 4 of his friends. These 4 members has to send to 4 members like this. Okay, the first person will send to 4 persons, and the second person also has to send to 4 persons. The third person also has to send to 4 persons. The fourth person also has to send to 4 persons. So first set of letter is 4 letters. What about the second set? Here 4. Here also 4. The second set of letters contain how many letters? 16 letters. This 4 should be, again they have to send, each person has to send 4 letters to 4 different persons. Like this, if you do now, that here I wrote total letters in the first set. So first set, how many letters are there? 4 letters. Total letters in the second set. How many letters in the second set? 16. That is, it can written as 4 square. So total letters in the third set will be definitely 4 cube. That is 64 letters. Okay. So that the sequence of letters is 4, 4 square, 4 cube and so on. By seeing onwards clearly it is in GP. That except the first term, other terms are multiplying by non-constant, that is 4. Okay. So the sequence is in GP. Here A, the first term is 4 and R, T2 by T1, that is 4 square by 4. 1 4 will get cancelled, you will get 4. R value as 4. N equal to 8. Why you consider N as 8 now? They given here 8th set of letters is made. So we are going to find N equal to 8, that is S8. Okay. So here R is greater than 1. They did it unaltered. That is, they never be stopped. The process is going on. Okay. So that we are going to use that Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So here 8th term only we are going to find. R is greater than 1. Sn, that is S8 equal to A is 4. R power n na 4 power 8 minus 1 divided by R minus 1 na 4 minus 1. So I get 4 into 4 power 8. So if 4 is multiplied by 8 times itself, you will get 65,536 minus 1 divided by 3. If you subtract these two, you will get 65,535. That is 4 into 65,535 divided by 3. Cancel this. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 7s are, 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 50. Multiply these two. 4 into 21,845. You will get 87,380. That is 8th. So if 8th set of letters are made, the total number of letters is 87,380. So they ask, the cost is given Rs 2 to mail 1 letter. So 1 letter, if you have to mail 1 letter now, it will cost Rs 2. How many letters are there here in 8th? In 8th set now, 87,380. So we are going to find the amount of postage per letter equal to Rs 2. So for 1 letter it is Rs 2. Total amount spent on postage equal to the total number of letters is 87,380 into 2. If you multiply by 2 now, you get 1,74,760. So did you understand this? Next move on to 9th one. Find the rational form of the number 0.123 bar. Okay, so if you place this bar, that 3 numbers should be repeated again and again. Okay, so 0.123 bar equal to 0.123, 123, 123 and so on. It goes on, you know. So you can write this number as 0.123 plus 0.000123 plus 0.00, that is 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3 plus and so on. Okay, so clearly the sequence is also in GP. So here it goes on, it doesn't know when it ends. So we are going to use S infinity formula here. So first write A, first term is 0.123 R T2 by T1, that is 0.000123 divided by 0.123, multiply with 1 lakh here, 1 lakh multiply and divide, the point will be removed, you will get 123 by 1,23,000. So 123 ones are 123 thousands are. So we will get 1 by 1000. Our value is 1 by 1000. Definitely this 1 by 1000 lies between minus 1 and 1. Okay. So sum to infinity. What is the formula? A by 1 minus R. So write the question, 0.123 bar equal to 0.123, 123, 123 and so on equal to 0.123 divided by 1 minus R is 1 by 1000. Here simplify this. Multiply and divide with 1000. Take LCM. So write the numerator as it is, 0.123 divided by here 1000 minus 1 by 1000. 1000 minus 1 will get 999 by 1000. Take reciprocal of this, you will get 0.123 into 1000 by 999. Multiply these two, the point will be removed. You will get 123 divided by 999. That is 123 divided by 999. Cancel this in 3 table. 3 4s are, 3 1s are, 333 sir. So we will get 41 divided by 333. So 0.123 bar equal to 41 by 333. So we will express the given number into a rational form. Okay. So did you understand this? Next move on to 10th sum. Sn equal to x plus y plus x square plus xy plus y square plus x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube plus and so on n terms. We are going to prove that x minus y into Sn equal to x square into x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 minus y square into y power n minus 1 by y minus 1. So we are going to prove this. So first we will write Sn equal to, as it is, x plus y plus x square plus xy plus y square plus x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube plus and so on n terms. Write this. So here they ask take LHS x minus y into Sn. So first I am going to multiply this Sn with x on both sides. Okay. So x into Sn equal to x into, write this whole term here. Okay, now each and every term should be multiplied by this x. So I get x into x, x square, x into y, xy, x into x square, x cube, x into xy, x square, y, x into y square, xy square. So x into x cube, x power 4. Like that we have to multiply all this. Take it as equation number 1. Okay, next step we are going to multiply this Sn by y, both sides. Okay, so y Sn equal to y into, write the Sn as it is, x plus y plus x square plus xy plus y square plus x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube plus and so on to n terms. So here also each and every term in this brackets will be multiplied by y. So you will get xy, y into x, xy, y into y, y square, y into x square y, x square, x square y, y into xy, xy square, y into y square, y cube plus y into x cube y. So like that you have to multiply each and every term by y. Take it as equation number 2. Okay. Now I am going to subtract 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 now equation 1 is x Sn minus y Sn equal to x square, write that x square plus xy plus x cube plus x square, write the whole terms. Okay, minus, here I am subtracting, minus means in this y Sn all the terms in this sign, all the terms sign should be changed. So you can write minus xy minus y square minus x square y minus x y square minus y cube minus x cube by like that. So observe here, plus xy minus xy will get cancelled, plus x square y minus x square will get cancelled, plus xy square minus xy square, plus x cube y minus x cube y, plus x square y square minus x square y square will be cancelled. So here x square, x cube, x power 4. If you take next now, you will get x power 5 like that. Okay, so x square plus x cube plus x power 4 and so on to n terms. Here minus y square minus y cube, here minus y power 4 minus and so on n terms. So in these terms I am going to take x square as common. If I take x square now I will get 1 plus x square and so on to n terms. Okay, here in this minus y square minus y cube minus y power 4 and so on n terms, you know, in this I am going to take minus y square as common. So I will get 1 plus y square plus and so on to n terms. Okay, now see this. Clearly the sequence is in GP. So every except the first term, other terms are multiplied by x, you know. So it is in GP. A equal to first term is 1 and R value is T2 by T1, that is x by 1 you will get x. So here also this is also in GP. Here A is 1 and R is y by 1 is nothing but y. Okay, now apply this formula, Sn formula, you know. Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So applying this, so x square is there, right? X square as it is. Instead of this, apply the formula. A is 1, R x power n minus 1 by R minus 1 na x minus 1. Minus y square, right, as it is. Here also apply the formula. A is 1, you know. R power n minus 1 na y power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 means y minus 1. Okay, so now write 1 into any number you multiplied, you will get the same only. So x square into x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 minus y square into y power n minus 1 by y minus 1. Here what you have, x Sn minus y Sn, you know. So in both I take Sn as common outside, you will get x minus y into Sn. Hence we proved what they given in the sum. That's all my dear children. Thank you.